We have all been there. You ask an AI a complex question, and it gives you an answer that is so confident and well structured that you are ready to hit copy immediately. But here's the problem: AI models can be 100% confident and still 100% wrong. Model outputs differ way more than the most people realize. One model might be great at logic but struggle with the creative nuance. Another might be a coding genius but prone to hallucinating facts. Usually, we try to solve this manually, copying and pasting the same prompts into three different tabs. But let's be honest, it's tedious, it's a mess, and because it's time consuming, we just usually skip it and set for the first answer we get. Today, we are looking at a tool that fixes that workflow gap. It's called Cuey.
So what exactly is it? Cuey isn't another chatbot trying to replace your favorite tools. Instead, it's a high-performance Chrome extension that acts as second opinion layer for your AI. Think of it as an invisible assistant sitting right inside ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. While you are chatting with one model, Cuey works in the background, checking your prompt against over 30 other top-tier models simultaneously. It's designed for people who are already using AI regularly and need to move fast without losing accuracy. It's a compare before you trust workflow that fits into the tabs you are already using.
Let's talk about how this actually looks when you are working. Imagine I'm prompting ChatGPT for a high-stakes task, maybe a technical strategy or an automation workflow. I hit enter and ChatGPT generates its response.
Instead of a distracting pop-up, the Cuey interface now appears directly below the answer. It's analyzing the output in real time. If Cuey sees a stronger or more detailed alternative from, say, Claude 3.5 or Llama 3, it surfaces the disagreement immediately. In a recent test, a primary model gave a general overview of a cloud deployment, but Cuey highlighted a response from another model that caught a specific API rate limit error the first one missed.
That's the aha moment. Without opening a new tab or retyping a single word, you catch a mistake that would have cost you hours of debugging later. Cuey is most useful when you're doing judgment-heavy work. This is for research, strategy, and deep analysis, the situations where you can't afford to rely on just one answer. It's about catching those subtle allocations before they become part of your project.
If you are ever stuck on how to frame a question to get these better results, they have a dedicated source at cuey.io/prompt. It's a library of high-performing prompts that helps you to see how different models react to the same instructions. It's the perfect place to refine your strategy before you even start the comparison.
One of the biggest friction points in AI is the reset. You have to explain who you are and what your preferences are every time when you are opening a new chat.
You can import your preferences, things like your job role, specific project requirements, or even family details. Cuey automatically categorizes these and injects that complex into your future prompts. If you ask for a weekend activity, it already knows how many kids you have and their ages because that context travels with you. And because this is professional grade, privacy is the priority. Cuey uses a privacy-first architecture with encrypted data. They don't log your prompts for training, and they don't track your browsing history. Let's talk about access. One of the best things here is that free users get access to all models from the start. Unlike other platforms that gate the good models behind the $20 a month paywall, Cuey bases their plans on comparison volume, not model types.
They are currently in early access, which means you can look in the lower pricing now before the limits change. It's a model agnostic approach that really makes sense for the users. Is it worth it? If you are someone doing serious research, coding, or business strategy, the answer is yes. It's for a professional who needs to be 100% sure the AI isn't just sounding right, but actually is right. Stop settling for the first answer. Compare before you trust. You can add Cuey to the Chrome for free at cuey.io. Use the code provided in the description to get 90 days of Cuey Pro for free to test it in your real workflow. So my dear friends, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next videos.